A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. We have a circle and there is a chord AB such that it subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. We have a circle in which AB is a chord such that it subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center O. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Now, this chord divides the circle into two segments. This one is minor segment and this is the major segment. We have to find the area of this minor segment, number one. And number two, also we have to find the area of the major sector. Area of the major sector. So there are two segments in the circle. This one is minor segment. Remaining part of the circle is major segment. Major segment. Also, the part AOBC, this one, which includes both the triangle as well as the minor segment. This is known as minor sector. This one AOBC, this is the minor sector, and we have to find the area of the major sector, which is the remaining part. So we have to find number one, area of minor segment, this part, and number two, area of major sector. This area AOBC is the minor sector and remaining part of the circle is major sector. Let us solve the question. If we observe this part AOBC, we can see that this minor segment, the area of the minor segment is the difference between area of the minor sector minus this triangular area. So, in the first part, we are calculating area of the minor segment, which is equal to area AOBC minus area of the triangle AOB. Area of the sector AOBC minus area of the triangle AOB would give us the area of the minor segment. So, for the sector, the formula is theta by 360 multiply pi r square, and for the triangle we can see that this angle is of 90 degree. So it is right angle triangle. So we have base and height. Base and height 10 centimeter each. This is given to us. Radius is given as 10 centimeter. And pi we have to take 3.14. This is given in the question. So area of the triangle would be given by, which is right angle triangle, half base into height. This can be taken as base 10 centimeter. Also the height is 10 centimeter. Okay. So theta is 90 degree. Divide by 360, multiply pi, which is to be taken as 3.14, multiply r, which is 10, multiply r, because it is r square, minus half, base is 10, and also the height is 10 centimeter. 4. So we can write 314 by 4 is the area of the minor sector, and minus this one 50. This is the area of triangle, and the difference is our required area of the minor segment. Let us solve it. 314 minus 200 equal to 114 by 4, that is 28.5 28.5 centimeter square is the area of the minor segment. So area of major sector, and which one is the major sector? I draw again. This is the minor sector and major sector. This is major sector. The angle at the center was given as 90 degree. So remaining angle is 360 minus 90, that is 270 degree. This angle is 270 degree. So theta is 270 degree to be taken in this case when we find the area of the major sector. So theta is 270 degree. Radius is given as 10 centimeter. Pi we have to take 3.14. The formula for the area is of the sector is theta by 360 multiply pi r square. Theta is 270, divide by 360, multiply 3.14 into 10 into 10. So after simplification we find 3 by 4 multiply 314. 2 to the, this is 157. So 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. 45, 47 by 2 centimeter square. This is the area of the major sector. Thank you.